Windows has built-in command prompt repair tools that can fix memory issues, system corruption, disk errors, and network problems. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful CMD commands that can help repair your PC, explain why they matter, how to use them, and when not to use them. Tip 1. On 32-bit apps and some systems, Windows limits how much memory apps can use. This can cause app crash, memory errors, games or software failing to load. This is Windows being too conservative. Open CMD prompt as administrator, type the following prompt and hit enter, then restart your PC. Enter the value according to what RAM you have. This allows Windows to give more memory to applications instead of reserving too much for the system. The benefit of this is that you get fewer crash, better app stability, improved performance for memory-heavy programs. Only use this if you understand memory limits. If you notice problems, you can revert the change. Tip 2. Windows doesn't always use RAM efficiently, especially on PCs with enough memory. This can make the system feel slow even when RAM is available. Open CMD as administrator, type the following prompt and restart your PC. This tells Windows to use memory more aggressively for caching and performance. The benefit is faster app loading, better responsiveness, smoother multitasking. This is best for systems with 4 GB RAM or more. Tip 3. Sometimes Windows system files are so damaged that SFC alone can't fix them. This causes update failures, system instability, features not working. DISM fixes the Windows image itself. Open CMD as administrator, type the prompt and hit enter. This downloads clean system files and repairs Windows from the inside. The benefit is that it fixes deep system corruption, restores Windows stability, prepares your PC for updates. This command takes time, so do not interrupt it. Tip 4. Hard drive or SSD errors can cause slow performance, freezing, file corruption, boot issues, and most users never check their drive. Open CMD as administrator, type the following prompt and hit enter. You may be asked to restart, type Y and reboot. This scans your drive and fixes file system errors. The benefit is that it prevents data loss, improves system stability, fixes disk-related slowdowns. Don't run this while doing important work cause it may require a restart. Tip 5. Your PC may feel slow online even with good internet. That's often because Windows is not optimizing network data properly. Open CMD, type the following prompt and restart your PC. This allows Windows to dynamically adjust network buffer sizes for better performance. The benefit is reduced lag, faster downloads, better network responsiveness. If your connection feels worse, you can reset this setting. These commands help you repair Windows instead of reinstalling it. No third-party tools, no fake boosters, just real Windows fixes. Try at least one command today and see the difference. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and follow for more simple PC repair tips. And comment below which command fixed your problem.